In this lecture, we'll build exactly that. We'll create a small interactive system where the user selects a country, a product, and the result updates instantly. Not only that, we'll make the dropdown smarter, so it only shows relevant products based on the selected country. Step 1. Create country dropdown. But before creating the dropdown, we need to clean our list. Right now, the country column has duplicates. If we use it directly, the dropdown will repeat values, and that doesn't look professional. So instead, we create a unique list. Go to an empty area and type equals unique, open parenthesis, and select the country column. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Now look at the result. We have a clean list with no duplicates. Why are we doing this? Because we want a clean input list, not repeated values, and this makes our dropdown easier to use. Step 2. Create the dropdown. Now let's use this list. Select the input cell. Go to Data, then Data Validation. Choose List. Now, instead of selecting the original column, we reference the result of the unique function. Click OK. Now test it. The dropdown is clean, no duplicates, and dynamic. Step 2. Create dynamic product list. Now let's build something smarter. We don't want to show all products. We only want to show products that belong to the selected country. So first, we need to generate a filtered list. In an empty area, write this formula. Start by typing equals filter, open parenthesis. First, select the product column. This is the data we want to return. Now type a comma. Next, select the country column. Then type equals. And click on the cell that contains the selected country. Now close the parenthesis. So far, we are filtering products based on the selected country, but we still have duplicates. So we wrap everything inside another function. Go to the beginning and type unique, open parenthesis, and place the filter function inside. Then close the parenthesis. Press enter. Now we have a clean list of products based on the selected country. So we filter first, then remove duplicates. Step 3. Create product dropdown. Now we use that list to create the second dropdown. Select another cell. Go to Data Validation. Choose List and select the range where the filtered results appear. Click OK. Now test it. Change the country. Watch what happens. The product list changes automatically. Why is this powerful? Because we are guiding the user. Instead of letting them choose wrong combinations, we only show valid options. Step 4. Build SUMIFS formula. Now, let's connect everything. We want to calculate total sales based on selected country, selected product. Type equals SUMIFS, open parenthesis. First, select the sales column. This is what we want to sum. Next, select the country column. And instead of typing a value, link it to the drop-down cell. Then, select the product column and link it to the second drop-down. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Now look at the result. Change the country. The result updates. Change the product. The result updates again instantly. What just happened? We built a dynamic formula. Instead of calculating once, we created a system that responds to user input. Step 5. Add dynamic title. Let's make it even better. Create a title above the result. For example, sales of laptop in USA, but instead of typing it manually, we make it dynamic. Type equals, then open quotes, and type sales for, then close the quotes. Now type ampersand. It is used to connect text together. Now click on the cell that contains the selected country. Then type another ampersand. Open quotes again and type space, dash, space. Then close the quotes. Now type another ampersand. Then click on the cell that contains the selected product. Press Enter. Now look at the result. The title updates automatically, based on the selected values. We're connecting text with values to create a dynamic message. Why is this important? Because this is how dashboards work. Clear, dynamic, and user-friendly. We're not just using formulas. We're designing interaction. We're guiding the user and making analysis easier to understand. We're not building formulas. We're building a system